Which degrees make the most millionaires? If you want to become a millionaire, don't attend college. That is one well-known statement that all of these social media gurus will teach you. There are over 5.2 million millionaires worldwide. However, 88% of millionaires really hold a college degree. 62% of entrepreneurs have a bachelor's degree. Numbers don't lie. Therefore, you may boost your chances of becoming a millionaire by earning specific degrees. Getting a degree is inevitably about having a good job, and part of getting a good job is obviously about getting a good wage. Therefore, we'll discuss the 7 degrees that produce the most millionaires in this video. So keep watching. 1. Engineering. Engineering is a large field with several subfields that may make its graduates extremely successful and wealthy, provided that they know how to use their skills. Why did we put engineering first? Because the vast majority of the world's wealthiest people have a degree in engineering or higher. Furthermore, 22% of the world's top 100 billionaires studied engineering. 2. Economics/finance. It should come as no surprise that studying economics or finance will help you become a millionaire faster. But it's not as simple as simply learning how to generate money, with economics in particular being perceived as more academic and behind the scenes. It's not a get-rich-quick plan, but understanding how the financial world works will help you in practically everything you do later in life. Then, of course, there are real financial occupations. According to Business Insider, the highest-paying financial profession on Wall Street may make you more than $20 million, while working in the banking industry can also pay well. 3. Biochemistry. We are not surprised to find biochemistry on this list, given the pharmaceutical sector is so powerful nowadays. Many people study biochemistry because they are curious about how certain drugs and therapies are produced. Furthermore, they are motivated by curiosity and a desire to find answers to the world's most troublesome diseases. Biochemistry is also useful in fields such as marine biology, dentistry, agriculture, nutrition, veterinary medicine, and others. Christine Poon, the former head of Johnson & Johnson, is one of the wealthy biochemists we know. 4. Politics. One of the oldest occupations in the world, politics can be traced all the way back to ancient Greece when democracy first emerged. However, it might now be among the most lucrative degree choices. Political strategists are in high demand due to their surge in popularity throughout the world, making this a rewarding career choice. Barack Obama, the former president of the United States and a multimillionaire, earned a BA in political science from Columbia University in 1983. Other rich politicians with degrees in politics include journalists, the former leader of the opposition in the United Kingdom, Ed Miliband, and the former Prime Minister, David Cameron. 5. Mathematics. The variety of careers available to math grads is a strong indication of this degree's potential. There are many career options for math majors, including those in finance, engineering, the sciences, and public service. A significant number of the world's millionaires are math graduates, including millionaire singer Art Garfunkel, who earned his master's degree in mathematics from Columbia University in 1967. 6. Computer science. This industry has been experiencing growth over the past 10 years. Demand now vastly surpasses supply as a result of the growth of technology, social media, algorithms, and just about everything else computer-based. But fortunately for those of you with a computer science degree who are about to graduate, this means that you can frequently walk into a well-compensated position right out of the gates. Due to this, it is one of the degrees that produces the most millionaires. The typical starting wage for computer science graduates is about $61,000, which places them second only to engineering graduates in terms of pay. 7. MBA. One of the best decisions you can make, whether you're enrolled in economics, business, finance, or another social degree program, is to pursue a master's in business administration. The length of a master's program varies depending on the previous degree program you completed and the university you are attending. The wage of working individuals with an MBA increased by 50% compared to those without, according to research. Employers favor those with MBAs over those without them because they have better knowledge, skill, or experience. Additionally, compared to other master's degrees, an MBA is more regarded and appreciated. What is your favorite field from these 7 degrees? Let us know in the comments. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.